In this video, I would like to walk you through how you can file your employment income tax return using the pre-populated form in KRA website while offering necessary insurance reliefs. But in this video, because you are filing returns for the year 2024, we shall be using reliefs for NHIF and Affordable Housing Levy. So I shall demonstrate to you how you can offer the reliefs using this video. So with no much ado, let's get started. What you are required to do, just get into your favorite browser, just search for iTax, then log into the iTax portal. So after logging in, you need to enter your KRA pin here. So I just enter mine here. You are required also to enter your password. I have entered mine here. Then you need to enter security stamp, which is 42 plus 12, which is basically 54. Then hit login. So when you log in, you just need to come where we have file return and come where we have income tax return for employment income only. So from there, you need to enter some basic information. You need to enter the return period. So the return period is from 1st January 2024 to 31st December 2024. So you shall be asked some simple question here. Do you have an employment income? Just select yes, then click next. From there, you need now to come here and enter some basic information. So the information which is populated, this information means already KRA have information about it. Whatever you cannot be able to select, don't even try to select. Already KRA have the data. So what you need to do, just enter some basic information. Has your employer provided you with a car? In my case, no. Do you have any income from foreign country? In my case, is a no. But in your case, if you have, select yes and claim for double taxation if any. Do you have any mortgage? In my case, no for now. Do you have an insurance policy? In my case, I will just choose yes. Then, when I choose yes, you can notice another section L have been added. It was not there previously. Let me show you. When you close, section L is removed. But when you reopen the insurance policy, section L is added. So from there, we can head to section L. Let's head to section L. So where we have section L, this is where we usually offer the insurance relief, where a lot of people avoid. So the PIN of the insurance company. So in my case, I'm having NHIF as my insurance company, filing the return for the 2024. So as I informed you, the NHIF Act was under operation in year 2024 from 1st January 2024 to 31st September 2024. So let us enter the PIN here. I show you how we will calculate it. So you just need to input the PIN here. So which is P051 09 8. Okay, sorry. Let me enter the PIN. NHIF PIN is P051 099 323 390 09232 D. So when you have input the PIN, it will automatically enter the name of the insurance company here. So this is general. This is the PIN of the NHIF insurance company. So if you are offering insurance NHIF relief, this is the PIN which you enter in your site. But if you are using other insurance companies, you can enter their PIN here. In case it's Britam, Amref, you just enter there and offer the relief for the whole year. If you made you paid premium for the whole year. But in our case, we do necessary adjustments. Then from there, come here and select NHIF. Then from there, you need to enter the annual premium paid. But when we get back into my P9 form, which is a P9 form originating from TSC, you notice I don't have, it is not showing any deduction paid to NHIF, though I contributed, the client contributed. So in order to calculate in order to do it, if you are not provided with it, if you had it, you could have taken the premium paid to NHIF from month of January to September. Take the gross amount and input it as the annual premium paid here. But in my case, as you can see, I don't have that data in my P9 form. So the question is, how can I be able to generate the amount which I contributed? So what you're required to do, you need to have the NHIF contribution schedule, which is available in National Health Insurance Fund Act and under the regulation and 2022 regulation. So the schedule is here. Let me scroll. So you can notice, according to my P9 form, my January income is 37k 915, which it ranges here. The income ranges between 35 and 39,000, which is 950. So you just need to do it for every month till the month of September. So you need to do for January, February, March, April till September. Then take the gross amount. After grossing all the amount from here, since here is 950, 900, 950, 950, 950, and 1,000, the total was 8,550. So this 8,550 is the amount which you need to enter here. 8,550. So when you enter the annual premium contributed to the month of September, according to our case of 2024, the 15% of that value is 1282. Then you need to enter your membership number, which is a unique code in your NHIF card, or you can be able to get it online, or the papers which you applied for NHIF, or just request it using a USSD code and you get the membership number. So my membership number is 527 65 21. Then from there, I'm good to go. When you are through, you need to add. So I'm being asked if I want to add the detail, just select OK. So after adding it, it will be input here. As you can see, it is here. Then if I want to offer another relief, maybe I want to offer the affordable housing levy, since it is being deducted from my income, is affordable housing relief. Select AHR, which is affordable housing relief. So you can notice the PIN of insurance company is being auto-populated by KRA, but my problem is, which is somehow suspicious, they are avoiding the name of the insurance company which is deducting the amount. I don't know why. I think as a contributor, you need to have the information where you are contributing your money. But this is a discussion of another day. So you need to get the annual premium paid. So the Affordable Housing Act was in operation. Let me get back into my P9 form, from the month of March to December. So from January to February, you can do nothing about it. But from here, from March to December, you need to carry out some adjustments. So what are you required to do? So you can come here and take 1.5% of the taxable pay, but in your case, in case you are not employed by government, take the gross pay, the value of the gross pay, and multiply it with 1.5. Take the amount again, multiply it by 1.5, 1.5, 1.5%, 1.5% until the month of December, from March to December. Avoid February and January. But in my case, since I don't want to do this, it is a lot of work to me. What we shall do, we shall take the gross pay. The gross pay is taking this value, the subtotal pay, the total pay of taxable pay. Let me show you. Let me open my calculator. Let me open it. Yeah, it's good. Let me close. So you need to take this taxable pay, total taxable pay of 459,316. Then you need to add these arrears. So when you add taxable, when you add arrears to taxable pay, the value which you get, it is the gross pay. It is the gross pay. So in case your arrears are 0 here, it means your taxable pay is equivalent to your gross pay. So you need to add this value. Then click OK. So this is the gross value from January to December. So the problem is, The act was in operation from let me minimize this calculator again. Let me try if I can be able to put it a bit this side, and yeah, so this act was in operation from March to December, so you need to deduct these 2 months, January and February. So we need to rest from this gross pay the month of January, 37,915, and also rest the month of February, where we shall rest 33,915. So this value which is here now is our gross pay from March to December. So we need to take 1.5% of this value. So we need to take 0.015. So this is the value of the annual premium contributed to affordable housing levy. So you, in case even you do it like you take 1.5 of this value and gross up the total, it will range to value close to this one, but there'll be a slight difference because of rounding off. But this is the value, which is 559.18.57. Let us input it here. Let us get back here into this section and input the value of 559.18.57. So automatically the amount of relief will be auto calculated by taking the 15% of this annual relief. Then you need to add it. So you can see now all the reliefs have been added here, are now added here. Then from there I can click next, can move to next, then confirm if these values are marrying with the one in the P9 form, then check, then head to the last section, which is section T. In this section T, what you need to fill in case you offer the relief, you need to come here and enter your pension contribution amount. So your pension contribution amount, you can get it under your P9 form, which is 3516. 3516. Let us enter it here. Is 3516. 3516.05. You also need to come here and input the affordable housing levy value. So the affordable housing levy value, you shall take the December value. Let us get back into this P9 form and take back my calculator here. You need to take the December value of total gross pay. Then this gross pay, you shall subject it to 1.5%. You shall take 1.5% of the total gross pay in December. So you take 0.015 multiplied by 39,587. Then click OK. So it is giving us 593.81, 593.81. So that value is the value which you come and fill here. Let's come and fill it here. 593.81. Then let me adjust something. Okay, then you need to come to where we have social health insurance fund. So where we have SHIF, you need to come back into your P9 form, take the December value of SHIF, which is this one, the same as how we did for affordable housing. Then take 0.0275, which is 2.7% of the gross pay in December. 39,587. Then click OK. So in your case, this one will be, you'll be dealing with the gross pay side, but in my side, I'm dealing with taxable pay, since this is what I have information about. But in your case, it will be gross pay. So that is the section which you'll be using to do computation. So it is giving us 1088.5 0.64. So come and fill that value here, which is 1088.64. And after doing that, now you can comfortably come here and check what you have. So it is a tax refund of 2710.44. So after you are through and you are comfortable, you just hit submit and submit your details and you're good to go. But we have mentality as Kenyans, we fearing negative values or a refund in KRA, since we fear audits. So in case you did monkey thing when filing your return, or you are not clean when filing your return, never file a liability. But if you are never file a refund, but if you are clean and you know what you are doing, you can always file a refund and claim your refund from KRA, which now have been adjusted from a period of 90 days to 120 days. So you will wait longer before your money is refunded. But I will not submit mine now, since I want to create another video demonstrating to you how you can do the same thing using the Excel form rather than the pre-populated data. So when you are comfortable with yours and comfortable with the value, you can submit in your case, and where you are allowed to offer reliefs. So in case you are offered reliefs and not the, let me show you something I wanted to show you. In case you are offered with relief rather than the annual amount, like the NHIF relief here is of 1350, what you are required to do, so this 1350 is 15% of the gross amount. So you shall take 1350. If 1350 is equivalent to 15%, what about 100%? Then you gross it up to 100%. Also, that is what you shall do for the Affordable Housing Levy. You shall take, if 383.4 is equivalent to 15%, what about 100%? So the value which you get is the value which now you will come. Like for instance, this NHIF relief, this is 15%. When you get 100% of it, so it is 13, which is basically 1350 multiplied by 100 divided by 15 is around 9,000. So that is the value which you come into your P9 form. Let's get back to section L. I come back to section L. Section L is here. That is the value which you shall enter here, 9,000. And yeah, and your relief will be here. So that is what you usually do. In case you are offered with reliefs, now you shall work it backward. So thank you for watching, and God bless you. And when you are through, remember to submit. Don't forget to submit. I'm not submitting mine since I want to create another video to demonstrate how you can conduct this one using Microsoft Excel. So thank you for watching. If you have any query, you can feel free to contact me through the WhatsApp number in the description of this video. You value your sentiment, you can always reach to us using our WhatsApp number, or you can make just a short call during the work hours from 8 to